They're always side by side, making sure I'm getting the right mentoring. Hi, I'm Beau. I'm an apprentice mechanical aircraft maintenance engineer at Sikorsky, Australia. I started my apprenticeship in 2020. I heard about it through a family friend who also works here. I was still at school around about that time, doing a aircraft maintenance engineer pre-apprenticeship course. I just filled out the application, sent in my resume, and yeah, that's basically what led on to this. The people here at Sikorsky are really fun to work with and just really good people in general. Everything that I've learned in my apprenticeship has been good stepping stones. Some of the tasks that we complete: spindle rebuilds, cleaning, inspecting components, rebuilding oil coolers. The work-life balance here at Sikorsky is great. It's a 4-day working week, which allows me to go surfing and fishing and do all the things that I want to do. I'd say the coolest part of my job is being able to work on military aircraft. Pretty eye-opening experience. If you're interested in aviation, go for it.